Ever hear that loud sound when a big truck or bus comes to a stop? It might sound like something broke, but that sharp release of air is actually totally normal. In fact, it's a crucial part of how these massive vehicles stop safely. In regular cars, braking is pretty straightforward. Press the pedal, and brake fluid pushes against pads to slow the wheels. But when you're dealing with something that weighs over 40 tons, like a semi-truck, that system just isn't strong enough. Instead of using hydraulic fluid like cars do, trucks rely on air brakes. As the truck runs, it builds up air pressure in tanks mounted under the vehicle. When the driver hits the brakes, that stored air gets released into the brake system to apply pressure and slow the truck down. But here's where it gets clever and a bit more complex. If there's ever a leak in the system, that air pressure can drop. And if trucks relied on air alone, a leak could mean total brake failure. To prevent that, trucks are designed with massive springs that are always trying to apply the brakes. The only thing keeping them from locking the wheels all the time is, you guessed it, air pressure holding them back. So when a truck parks, it intentionally releases the air from the system, letting those springs fully engage the brakes. That sudden burst of air you hear, that's the sound of the truck letting the pressure go so the brakes can lock into place. It's loud, but it's actually a sign everything's working exactly as it should.